Aloha guys, welcome back to my channel. So today me and Chullora are at it again. We're here to do our mukbang. Chullora's got hers and I got mine, but I'll explain where I got mine from. Yeah, I got mine from ESPRESSO. Okay guys, they're in Plumpton. So that's why I ordered, because it's local. Yeah, support the local, businesses. So what I ordered is a prawn salad with extra prawns. And it comes with the pumpkin and the cheese. There's the cheese there. Fried cheese there. And a piece of pumpkin. Oops. There we go. There's a big piece too. And then that's prawns. And then here I have the chicken. I have chicken and underneath is hot chips. And this must have wanted to join these guys. So anyway, so underneath the prawns is all that salad with balsamic vinegar and those little red stuff. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Yeah, anyway. Pomegranate or whatever. Okay, anyway guys, I don't know what it's called. Baby, what is it called? Pomegranate. Pomegranate. I don't know. Anyway, but the water is... Oh, the water is...
Keep that in.
No! Don't worry, I've done it before. Anyway, guys, my drink is water. It's water today. Pomegranate. What's that red fruit that has seeds?
Oh, pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Yeah, that's what it is, guys.
Is that what's in it?
Yeah, it's got some in it. See? Can you see?
Oh, true.
There we go. Look. Pomegranate.
It's a pomegranate.
Yeah.
How do I?
Anyway, you explain what you have, sweetheart.
Okay, and over here I got... We can't speak today. Over here I got sashimi.
Yeah.
That's what I got. It's salmon slices. Yeah, that's it. Oh, wait, no, that's not it. And then my drink is Coke. Now that's it.
Yeah, and as you can see, my glasses is fogging again. Just goes to show I'm really hot, Don't be jealous. Cheers, guys. I kind of need that to cool down the glasses. So, okay, it's time to eat. Baby, I think you can have these fries because under here I got fries. Okay.
Okay. I want to try a prawn. No, I'm going to eat my cheese.
Do you want one of these chicken fillets? No. Here, guys, have a bite.
Did you see that?
What happened?
Oh.
What happened?
I went to go put the sushi in my mouth and it dropped on me.
Where is it?
No, actually, zoom up in my face when that happens.
No.
No, it's there, but like... Oh.
Well... Rip it properly. I like these kind of chips. They call it like, I think, beer chips. The flat one. These are the kind of fries they have in Cook Island.
Or like pubs. The carousel. Or the place where we went to Sabrina's birthday. That's...
How about the cheese, guys? You want a piece of cheese? There's two of them.
So they just melted cheese.
Fried cheese. Nice. This is actually nice. Nice. I've never had this food before. I didn't even know this place exists, to be honest. Because I was looking up food on Uber Eats and I found ESPRESSO. And their food looks so good.
You know where the flight attendant place used to be? That new restaurant there?
Is that it?
Yeah, that's where.
Wow. And we pass it all the time. I thought it was just coffee.
No.
Wow.
Yeah, so did I. I thought it was a coffee shop.
No, I like this. So, if anyone's familiar with Plumpton Marketplace, yeah, there was a flight centre outside, and that's where they are. I didn't even know that. Mind you, I just thought it was a coffee place. Far out. Their food is quite nice. This is the kind of food I like too. And pho food. I like how they got this prawn. Yeah, sorry about how I said that pomegranate. Pomegranate. Say it again, baby. What is that?
Pomegranate. I think.
Pomegranate. Yeah, I think you're right. Well, it's closer to how I said it. I know. First nothing. These are things that lady can't get right. Yeah, and I'm telling the truth. I don't know her. I'm not someone that always buys that or talk about it. That's why I don't know the name. Oh wow, I can hear a helicopter. Paparazzi probably looking for me, guys. Whenever a helicopter goes past our house, I always go, they're gonna stop looking for me. The paparazzi. We have an army base not far from here. Yeah, so that's probably them. You can tell the difference of the helicopter because one of them will be deep in the noise and the other one's like ticka, 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 and the other one, you know. So you even get sound effects. This is really nice food. I want to be sure to sit there, go there, order me breakfast. Man, this is nice. Because it's only a little place in the corner of Plumpton, I just assumed it was like coffee and muffins, you know.
Do you ever like forget to eat?
Who?
Yeah. Or anyone?
Forget to eat? Are you crazy?
Yeah, yesterday I was like up and I was like sitting there and my stomach was sore and I was like, why is my stomach sore? And I was like, oh, I haven't eaten all day, and it was like 12. It was like midnight.
Yeah, because you went to sleep early. Surprise, surprise. Because she's normally up, I don't know, talking to herself. She says she talks to herself, but I don't know, eh? But are you really talking to yourself?
No.
Oh.
Well.
Now you tell me you're talking to yourself. I just thought, oh, my poor daughter, she's losing her mind.
No, I'm usually talking to my friend.
Who? Jake? Amina?
No. My friend's gonna be watching this video.
Who?
My friend's gonna be watching this video.
Your friend?
Mm-hmm.
As long as it's a good friend, okay?
Best friend.
Jake. Amina. She's got two best friends, Jake and Amina.
Yeah. I got no other friends.
Yeah. So I don't know any other friends. Yeah. But I'm merely aka can make it.
What does that mean?
Actually, I don't know what you're laughing about.
Oh my gosh, that is so lucky. That is so...
Wow.
This just fell off. This fell off the table. And there's carrot tip. Wow, that is so lucky. No, what are the chances?
Well, why aren't you eating your carrots?
Babe, this is here for decoration. This isn't here for people to eat it.
Not really. You can eat it because they say it's good for your eyesight.
That's a myth. Is it
Yeah.
But
Every vegetable is good for us.
it didn't fall. I'm so happy.
Oh, the carrots didn't come out. Oh.
Yeah, I watched
Yeah,
the
you
fall.
would have had to clean
Yeah,
everything up.
I watched the fall. I was like, oh my gosh, she's gonna yell at me.
Well, then.
Wow.
The chips are really nice. This place is Oh, I like it.
I also like the
Because
chips.
I wasn't familiar with the name when I saw it. Well, the pictures that they had on the Uber Eats menu. And it tastes. Pepper lettuce. I don't know. This is so nice. I love prawns. Love prawns. Just so good. And get some salad with the pomegranate. Pomegranate.
I want a pomegranate.
And you have to just mix in there.
Actually, can I
Taste
put the
that
salad
cheese.
in front of me?
No, you're gonna eat all my prawns.
Can I? In space? No, I want a pomegranate.
You can't eat all my prawns though.
Ooh. We always forget our thumbnail. Like, even for my videos, I'll forget a thumbnail until after I'm done. I'm like, oh.
I know. I see people do thumbnails all the time, like thumbnail. And I try and remember it, but straight away, because my mind is scattered, and then I want to eat this food, so I forget. I'm going to try this pumpkin.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I'm going to grab this bit of pumpkin here and bring it here. Whoa. Nice how they do their food. This is like it's got a charcoal taste to it. Well, I got a new breakfast place because we normally go and have breakfast as next door to Big W at Plumpton. Yeah, so we normally go and have breakfast next door to Big W because there's a cafe there. They make really, really lovely egg benedict, and I get it with the salmon. I try other places, but I always return back there because I feel it tastes better there. And as long as the egg is half cooked, not cooked, I love it.
Or we go to the one in Mount Druitt, the one outside of Gongcha. But I'm not sure what that's called.
No, that's the same thing. Oh, I know. Oh, yeah.
No?
Yeah, I know which one you mean. The one going towards Bessoness.
Special lunch, yeah.
Look at it.
My mum's so cute. She bought like these little boards and they move.
And they move around them. Oh, look at this, guys. You guys know I'm not really a salad person, but this is so attractive, this food. I'm making an effort today. So attractive. I love attractive food, and even better when it tastes good. And this food tastes real good. I love this. You know what? I'm going to eat that from now on. Oh, yum, look at it. It's got walnuts. It's got walnuts. It's got red onions. And then pomegranate. I better stop saying it because I'm not saying it right, so. Anyway, so Chullora went to school, but when she said she was finishing at 1, I thought, oh, okay. I'll wait till she gets home and then we'll do a mukbang.
Yeah, this was last minute. I was at school and I got a text from her and she's like, what time do you finish? And I was like, 1. And then I called her and she's like, can we do a mukbang? And I was telling her, I was like, babe, this is the 3rd mukbang I've been in a row. Right?
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, but it's my 3rd one.
And then when the food arrived, guys, she was trying to take off and leave me to be on my own. She wanted to do it for her video, for her channel. I thought, it's easy.
And then I was like, oh, how about she just eats by herself on her channel and then I'll go and eat my sushi on my channel, because people were letting me know that they want to see mukbangs. So I was like, okay, I've only filmed 1 mukbang, I'll just make another one. But then she was like, no, do it for my channel. So I was like, okay.
Don't say yes and then say no.
What do you mean? Oh, yeah.
I mean, I would have filmed on my own had you said, no, you want to do your own. But when the plan is already assigned, to it to the end.
These chips are good.
I love those chips.
Who do I think I am?
I started eating these flat chips in Cook Island. I know, they must have been around here, but that's where I first started eating these chips. Oh, look, power.
Mum, can I ask you
Yum.
something?
What?
That's actually what I wonder. You know when you do
Your prawns over there. You put it over here in the rubbish.
Oh, it fell off. You know when you film your mukbangs and it's like the first time you try food, like, you know, the food stuff, and like, you know, your reaction on camera, is it genuine? Like, do you actually like the food?
I do like the food, and if I really like the food, I'll keep talking about it. But if I'm not so impressed with the food, I'll still compliment the food, because the trouble that the person went through to making it, I can't diss the food, you know, but I know my reaction is different to it. But most of the time, you know, because food is yum, most of the time I would like the food, you know, but I can't diss anyone's food, because the trouble that they went through to making it, that's what I consider, you know. And what say I eat someone's food that I get from their store, right? And I'm eating and I'm putting it down, you know. I mean, I cannot say too much about it, but I still got to compliment the food. I mean, imagine if the person that owns the food that I'm eating and I'm saying bad things about it. I wouldn't like that. If that was me, you know, I wouldn't really like it. I like a feedback, an honest feedback, but yeah. But considering the trouble that they went through to make this delicious food, I appreciate it.
I always wonder that. Not even just with your mukbangs, but with anyone's mukbangs. Like, is it actually nice, or are they just saying that it's nice because they're a feud review type of thing? You know what I mean? Most of
the time I like the food, because I put in my mind the trouble that people go through. And there'll be some food that is not enough salt or not enough flavor, but you're still going to be, you know, thankful for, you know, the food. That's what I think anyway. But, and if I don't like it that much, I don't know if I'll eat it again. But if I do like it, I'll talk a lot about it. And this food, my friends, is really lovely.
Yeah, I can tell that she actually likes this.
And especially being that it's prawn as well. And I like that it's tasty, so it's making me eat the salad. It's nice. Baby, you should eat more. What's that pumpkin? Yeah, so they must cook this, because the flavor's in there. Yum. Eat it like a watermelon. Nothing's really good food. I can tell my mouth is messy, but dry and lovely. You don't want some of these chicken fillets?
No, I do, but I'm waiting to finish this.
Eat it together. This is really lovely. I've got to try and say the word pomegranate. Say it again, baby. What is it? I got to try and say the word properly. Pomegranate. Why am I saying gammon?
Parma? Okay, not now. Hold on.
Parma.
See, now you're mixing me up. Parma granite.
Parma.
And then granite. Granite.
Granite. Pomegranate. Is she right?
Yeah, my invitation. I'm out.
She could be taking me and that's not that right. Pomegranate. What?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
I don't know if that's how you spell it, but that's how.
It sounds?
Yeah.
It's nice. Yeah.
My mum made curry for dinner, so I'm kind of upset that I ate a lot of sushi because now I'm not going to have enough space for curry.
Oh, yeah. I haven't been filming on my cooking channel. Oh, my. Like it clashes with the stuff that I do. But anyway, I'm going to definitely make an effort, guys. So sorry for those that subscribe and they are on there. So sorry, gonna make an effort.
Napkin, please.
Yeah, that's yours. Might have been crunched up a bit, but man, I love this place.
It's good. The chicken duck's good.
No wonder. No wonder I see people there. Look at this free coffee lovers.
Yeah, I always see on people's stories.
Coffee lovers. That's what I thought.
You know how it came and it looked nice? It looks nice even when they played it.
Yeah. It looks good. And I'm so happy I accidentally found them. Even though I walk past them all the time I go there. See? This is what I'm talking about, eh? I appreciate the people's effort that goes into their food. The planning of it, the making of it. And just to know that people appreciate their food. Is the reason why that I would never diss someone's food. You know? This is lovely. Okay. Enough said. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for your guys' support towards Sharon and Desoray's channel. I'm so appreciative of you guys. Thank you. And they're getting, like they got, from 2 weeks, they got 1,000 subscribers.
I know, I seen that. I was like, oh, cute.
I know. So good, you know. And it's so different in personality and stuff like that.
What do you mean?
Well, you know how they are. Sharon's more of a shy type. Desoray's more of a talkative. Gets along with everyone. Sharon gets along with people once she starts opening up and talking. But Desoray's easygoing.
Yeah. He's a social person. I would say Sharon's a social person.
Yeah. Sharon gets along with a lot of people. Well, once I get to know her, you know, she's like her older sister. Her older sister, Mitty. Right. Mitty will come out like the faces. Oh yeah. Last channel I was talking about my husband's cousin, Boss Cecil. Yeah, and how Sharon said, he looked angry. But that's how she looks too. And that's how my other daughter, Mitty, looked. So it's in their blood. It's in their blood to have this outside exterior look. But no, they're really nice, you know, when you get to know them. They're good, you know. And it's funny because when I watched the channel of my husband's cousin, I thought, I wish I was at the meeting. I would have liked to have met him. And there was other family members there that I would have loved to have met. Because I always say my husband's family they're nice people. They're nice people. Mm. Yeah.
I agree.
Mm-hmm. They are. Okay, what about my mum-in-law, Tina? She used to have this hard outside look. But when I got to meet her, she really, really showed me love, you know. We got along so good. And I miss her. Because I used to tell my husband when he used to not. Because this when our kids were really, really, you know, younger. And my husband would, like he would be like in his own little world. And I've got all these kids to take care of. So I'll snitch on him. She'll talk to him. And then she'll say to me, don't worry, Faye, I talked to him. And then she'll giggle with me about what she tells him. So I really miss her. I never always used to snitch though, because she needs a break from hearing the snitches. But no, I've only ever snitched twice. And that's when I was, you know, like, I couldn't understand why my husband wasn't. But I guess now, when I think about it, you know, busy from work and everything. And he used to be, you know, like a TAB person. He used to love to gamble the horses. Yeah. But not now, only when he wants to. And back then, getting horses was not suitable for us at the time. But he would go and spend some of our money that we needed on TAB. And, but now when I think about it, you know, he worked hard, so he deserved something. But in trying to put all the bills together and getting food together, it was just like, I didn't see why he should go and feed the horse instead of bringing the food so I can help feed my kids. And, you know, I saw it as wasted money because he really, really won anything. But I didn't think that it was his little break from working so hard, you know. So that's not what I was thinking about, but now I understand. So to those poor men that they just want a little bit of spending money for themselves because they work so hard, I understand it now, but not back then when my kids were little.
Are you talking about us or are you talking about like the other kids? Like
the older ones.
Oh.
Not now, because the older ones are older now, so they do their own thing. They got their own money. They look after them. But as for you guys are still young. But I'm different now because I understand. Dad needs a break. He goes to play poker. And then when he comes home, about 8:30 to 9, I know he didn't win. But when he comes after 9, he's made the final table. Or at other times he wins, but sometimes when he bets wrong,
Poker games can go for ages. Like sometimes he'll come home at like late, like 12 or something.
Yeah.
But then he'll come and be like, I won. And we're like, yeah, we know. Because you're meant to be home like 5 hours ago.
Yeah. So, he says he has a good time. Yeah. Because my sons are there too. Yeah, so they go and play poker. And so my husband was telling me yesterday that he got invited to play 100,000 game that's coming up. And he got invited because he always makes the four highest good player or whatever, and that certain pub.
Okay, my teacher's calling. My teacher's.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah, no. Hi, babe. I'm currently filming the mukbang, but how can I help you? Yeah. For the what? Oh, yeah, because I wasn't there. Because I wasn't there. Yo. Am I on mute? Can you hear me? Oh, sorry, babe. My mic's a bit stuffed. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Understand. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, babes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No, I got a lash course that I gotta go to. I won't be there on class. It's like a 3-day lash course that I have, so I can't be there. No. Yeah, tomorrow, because that's the, yeah. It's not through the school. No. No. I believe so. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Who was that?
That was my retail teacher. Sorry, guys. My teacher called me.
So you're calling her babes? She's got a name, Miss something.
Mum, that's how she called me Bub. She's like, hi, Bub. I'm like, hi, babes. It's just how us Aussies talk. No, I'm just kidding.
Baby.
No, that's one of my favorite teachers.
Oh well, it's really. Chullora eats the salmon, tons of it. She can eat probably a whole salmon. That only tickled her tummy what she just ate.
No, don't make it out to me like I eat a lot. That's actually the most.
You don't eat a lot, but you can eat.
Yeah, but usually I would have 2, but I had 3 today. I low-key regret it because I want curry. Now I can't have any curry because I'm gonna be full for the rest of the day.
She always eat that amount. Because when we go to Plumpton, she'll eat 2, and then she'll ask me, can she have some more? So I give her the money, and she runs to get more. So that's how I know she eats a lot of it.
Oh, yeah. No. Yeah.
So you're trying to be Bella to you guys.
No, because for a second I was like, no, I only eat 2. But then, yeah, I do get 2. But then later, I'm like, oh, before we leave, I'm like, can I get more? And then I'll go get 1 more. And then I eat it when I go home. So I do eat 3. Wow.
Yeah, so she eats a lot of that. I couldn't eat a lot of it, but I like it really thinly sliced. I used to love the smoked salmon on the airplane back in the days. Air New Zealand, they give you this little tray of like smoked salmon salad. God, are the days when the food used to be so delicious on the plane, and you can smell it once you get in the plane. Doesn't take long. You can smell the aroma of the beautiful food.
No, you get peanuts.
That's why I try not to sleep, because if I miss out, I'm pressing that bell. Because I ain't gonna miss out. But when you sleep, you know, they just miss you. I want them to go, wake up! There's food.
Apologize.
Oh well, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me and Chullora today. The food is excellent. Beautiful. Yeah, so if you stay local and you see that shop, hop in there and see what's on the menu and buy you some this delicious food. So nice, so worth it. So worth the money. Honey. Okay, take care, guys. Like I said before, thank you so much for supporting DESORAY and SHARON Eats. And
yeah,
I don't know about...
no. Also, thank you to all of you who came over to my channel. It's Chullora. Thank yous because you let me know in the comments. You're like, oh, I came from your mum's channel. So thank you to all of yous who came from to my channel.
I'm still trying to figure out what her channel's all about. What her niche is. What's her niche? I did watch 2 of her videos, right? And it was like...
Which ones did you watch?
The first 1 and 2.
Or
the third one?
The story time.
The third one, I pressed on it, and she's miming to that. And I'm thinking, so I watched like 3 seconds of it, and then I went out of it. And
my mum didn't like that video. She's like, there's certain things you can't have in there. And I was like...
Yeah, like the words in the song is not
inappropriate.
Inappropriate, not shouldn't be used. And yeah, so I thought, what's wrong with this daughter? Yeah. See, Sharon is shy. This one is very outspoken, no shy in this girl's vocabulary. Yeah. Well, which is good. I like that about Chullora, you know, like, she's got to be herself and speaks her mind, and I sometimes have to pull her ponytail back and go, excuse me, little girl, mind how you talk to people. She goes, Mom, what? I'm just telling him. And I say, yeah, say it properly, but don't say it disrespectfully. I don't like that. Little kids should stay little kids. Don't be disrespectful to older people. No. Unless they're doing something to my daughter, then I need her to speak up for herself.
Or unless I'm right, then.
Yeah, sometimes she thinks she's right over my rights. So she's not always right. But I do hear her out. And when I'm wrong, I do correct myself, and I explain, and I tell her, and okay, then, baby, sorry, I forgot. I did it now, forget me, you know, blah, blah, blah. I explain myself.
That happens a lot, guys. I'm right a lot. Don't tell them.
It does not. Okay, but for now, we're off now. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. Appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for the lovely comments that you guys leave me, too. There's always the same people that say, you know, their comments. Really appreciate you guys, and you know who you are. You know, it's like I already know you, even though I haven't met most of you. There are some people there that I personally know, and, you know, they are really nice people, especially Irene. Irina, thanks for always supporting.